So when you have a window like the one behind me and you want to go about dressing it up, the question, how do I go about doing this? It's really simple. You just buy one of our 3-piece crown set. It's called Venetian Crown -3, and you install those first, and then you go ahead and order one of our Valances that comes really assembled and ready to go, and all you have to do is put it up. I'm going to just show you how simple it is to do it. So as you can see how easy it was for me to go ahead and put a valance across this window and dress it up. If you like to go ahead and order these types of valances, be sure to visit our website at galaxy-design.com, or you can just pick up the phone and give us a call. And also be sure you give us a thumbs up on the bottom and subscribe to us for more videos like this.